Finally, our top electric cheese grater is the Presto 02970. Designed for those with busy lifestyles, the bigger brother of our previous product, the Presto 02970, helps keep meal prep minimum. With this unit, you merely aim the device over a bowl and it shoots slices of food conveniently into the dish. This means there's far less mess to clean up. We like this compact unit weighs just 4 pounds and has a lengthy power cord, so you can easily maneuver it around the kitchen. Also, its sleek black finish blends well with any kitchen decor or other appliances. The powerful motor takes all the work out of grating cheese. You just grip the device by the handle, power it on the fingertip switch, and guide cheese or even fruits and vegetables through the feeding tube. As the produce makes its way through the chute, a rotating drum fires out evenly sliced pieces, giving dishes a gourmet look. We found this helpful device comes in handy for countless food applications, and that it's the ideal tool for those looking to save time on meal preparation. We think the Presto raises the bar for dependable performance. It can be assembled, disassembled, and operated with little effort, and its durability is outstanding. This is thanks to the design, meaning it doesn't need to cool down between processing, so you can push foods down the chute one after another without stopping to clean parts. Overall, this is the most convenient product on our list for every cheese lover and food prep superstar. Its pros are, it has a sleek design, it's very efficient, and it's incredibly durable. However, it is pretty heavy for a device you will often hold in one hand. The Presto 02970 is a very reliable and high-quality unit that shreds cheese and other produce perfectly every time. We recommend it for a place in any home kitchen. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.